Welcome everyone, Zilla back with another video. Today is an in-depth review of the eufy X8 Pro, a robotic vacuum that promises to make your cleaning chores a breeze. Let's start with what comes in the box. The vacuum itself, a mop attachment, a small brush and cutter, the usual books and guides, power cable, a thin docking mat, the self-emptying docking station, and a vacuum bag. The X8 Pro boasts a sleek and modern look with a low-profile design that enables it to glide effortlessly under furniture and over various surfaces. The build quality is excellent, and the glossy and matte finishes add to its visual appeal. But let's be honest, none of that matters unless it functions well. Setting up is a breeze. You simply download the correct app to your phone and follow instructions to get your X8 Pro connected to your Wi-Fi. Initially, once set up, the vacuum sets off around your home, mapping each room and corridor, so it knows how to return to the docking station. The app is excellent and packed full of features. You have full control of your X8 Pro from your phone, from different modes, battery level, scheduling, zones, etc. My two favorite features that are controllable from the app are the detangling feature and the self-emptying feature. Now take a listen.
Start roller brush for self-cleaning. Charging.
The X8 Pro is equipped with cutting-edge laser navigation, which means it can intelligently map and navigate your home. It will detect obstacles, adapt to different floor types, and avoid stairs. The room and zone feature is incredibly handy for keeping it out of specific areas and rooms. But the real question is, how well does it clean? The X8 Pro uses a combination of powerful suction and rollers and a small brush to effectively pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair. The performance on various surfaces, from carpets to hard floors, is excellent. It also has a large dustbin capacity, so when it docks with the station, it self-empties into a replaceable vacuum bag, which gives you around 45 days of hands-free cleaning. Battery life is crucial for a robotic vacuum, and the X8 Pro doesn't disappoint. It can clean for up to 100 minutes on a single charge, which is ample to clean most homes. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to the dock for recharging and resumes cleaning once it's ready. The eufy X8 Pro is also compatible with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to start or stop cleaning with just your voice, so even better for that couch potato in you. Noise is always a concern with vacuum cleaners, but the X8 Pro operates at a relatively quiet level. I used it downstairs for an hour and my partner didn't hear it while she was upstairs, so it won't disrupt daily activities like watching TV. Maintenance is a breeze with the robotic vacuum. The filter and brushes are easy to access and replace when needed. eufy also provides detailed instructions on how to keep your X8 Pro in a good working condition. When considering the eufy X8 Pro costs £599 with the emptying station included, I would say it's excellent value for money. It competes with higher-end robotic vacuums in terms of performance and features, yet it's more budget-friendly. In conclusion, the X8 Pro is a solid choice for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. It combines advanced navigation, powerful cleaning capabilities, and smart features into an attractive package. It has converted me, and I will be using it as my primary vacuum, and you should also consider investing in the X8 Pro. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing the robotic vacuum, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more tech reviews and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, this is Zilla saying take care and peace.